Yeah, in today's video, we will be making another refreshing watermelon papaya juice. Sit back, relax, and let's dive in. To make this watermelon papaya juice, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. I have the watermelon, I have the papaya, I have the ginger, I have the water, I have my blender. Then I have the knife. So the next thing you want to do is to wash your ingredients. I've already washed all these ingredients. So I'll just go right in cutting the watermelon. Yeah. And by the way, if you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome back. This is Cecelia Howard. And the quantity of the ingredients you will be using actually depends on the quantity of the material that you'll be using. So in today's video, I will be making a watermelon papaya refreshing juice for about 20 people. Yeah, you got me right. So I'll be using a medium size of watermelon, a medium size of papaya, and I'll be cutting everything and we will be ready and blend. Let's dive in. Welcome back again. So the next thing I did was to prepare all my ingredients. Yeah, the first thing I started with was the papaya. I cut the papaya. I carefully remove all the seeds. Then after I was done, I washed this and it was ready for blending. Yeah, drum roll. So after the papaya was already cut and washed and ready, I peel off my ginger. Yeah, I added so much ginger because I want this to taste ginger. And we all know that ginger is a strong antioxidant that everybody needs in their daily diet. So maybe you've not been taking ginger before. This is the right time for you to incorporate a pinch of ginger into whatever you're eating. Yeah. So I'll be using this big bulb of ginger and I have this ready, which I'll be using to blend this ingredients. So the next thing I did is I have the papaya again already cut and washed. I have the ginger already washed and cut. I have the watermelon. So you don't have to cut your watermelon. I will be scooping this watermelon carefully into the blender. Yes, and as you can see, I am actually using a glove. I intentionally use this glove to make sure that everything is clean. Yeah, you heard me right. And the order you put this in the blender, it doesn't really matter. But I will advise that you put the watermelon first because it contains about 85% of water. It is gonna make it easier for you to blend. Yes, you heard me right. And now I have water in that jug and I'll be adding a little bit of water into this watermelon papaya. Yeah. And I cover this up and I blend and this is almost ready. And ta-da! We have the first batch of the watermelon papaya drink. This is sweetness refreshing overload. Yeah. So the next thing I did was to go ahead with the second batch. I did the second batch. I repeat the same process and I have this almost ready. I added a little bit of water again to blend. I added more watermelon and I cover this up and I blend again. And this watermelon papaya juice, it is loaded with all the nutrients, vitamins. And ta-da! The second batch is ready. And this is what I did and everything is now ready. So the next thing I did was to mix together to make sure that I have a uniform drink, and I will be portioning this into my already washed container. Ta-da! And yes, I have all the container washed, and I'll be portioning the watermelon papaya drink into this. And this can actually stay in your refrigerator for almost 1 week, provided that you fill it up till the brim. You do not allow any form of air to penetrate because you fill it up to the brim. And this watermelon papaya juice, it is loaded with a whole lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants. If you want to look young, if you don't want to look old, if you want to lose weight, I would advise you to try this watermelon papaya juice. Will you try this out? Let me know in the comment section. And this is exactly what I did. And let's test this out. Yeah! This is sweetness overload. So wonderful to put this together. Yeah. Yeah. So the next thing I'll be doing is to try this out and let me know what you think. If you are going to try this sweetness overload, let me know in the comment section. So now I grab my glass cup. I added the ice cubes into that, and I grabbed the bottle of this watermelon papaya juice. And I'll be adding this into this cup. Wow. Here, I shake it together. And I put my straw, and let us try this juice out. I added a little bit more. This looks so yummy. And ta-da! Oh my gosh. This is so good, refreshing. Will you try this out? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl. I love you, Cecelia Howard. I love you. Bye for now. Ta-da!